Well, here we are again, a brand new year, 2010, and we're going to start off this year right. I'm going to give you some really great trading calls this week that I think have the potential to be exceptional. And once again, this is my view of the market. This is what I'm seeing and what I'm planning on trading. For those of you who are new, we've got a lot of new subscribers to the free video updates. And, part of that's probably because it's free, but, it gives me some satisfaction that, hey, people are seeing what I'm doing out there and they're finding some real value in it. And so I want to thank you and welcome you if you're a new member. But we're going to start it off right now with Euro Aussie dollar. And guys, this is a massive buy signal. We're looking at this on the daily chart, and right now the market sits at about 155.79 as of the close. And this is right up against, I'm talking right up against the lows, the all-time lows for this currency pair. And we're right at a 1618 extension, and the private client group's getting a buy signal on this one, and we're going to be looking to get long on this for a significant amount of profit. If you want to look at this, if I kind of scrunch the chart down here, you can see we're basically in kind of a little channel here, with the top of the channel coming in at around 174.50 or so. And if I broke this out to a weekly chart, you'd be able to see it a lot better. But this market is due for a rally. As you can see, we're well oversold, and that buy signal is coming out right now. So if you guys are looking for an incredible way to start off the year, this could be it at around 155.79. I am going to be picking this up as soon as the market opens. So you guys can look to do that as well if you so choose. Let's go ahead and take a look at pound yen. Now, pound yen, guys, on the daily chart, on the 4-hour chart, we are looking at this purple line here represents a 127 extension on the higher time frame on the daily. We also have a 1618 confluence at that area, and this is a Gartley pattern completion as well. And I'm not going to get into I'm not going to break down the charts for you guys. That's stuff that we do inside the private client group. We take quite a bit of time to actually walk through these markets and show you and teach you how to begin doing this analysis on your own. But I'm not sure whether the market here on Monday is going to, Sunday evening, Monday is going to pull back and then rally, or if we're just going to see this market, on Monday just take back off again. But assuming that this pattern completion pans out, this 1618 is going to be a great area to look to get short. The only other one I'm watching, guys, is Euro Yen here to the start of the week. We've got some triple top highs here on the 4-hour chart, and as you can see, coming in against some structure resistance here, this blue line. There's a good opportunity here to get short if you so choose. A relatively low risk short entry trade that could produce some significant profits. And so this is in direct opposition to what I think is probably going to happen with the pound yen. But if you don't want to wait to see the pound yen play out, I'm not always right. I'm wrong quite a bit. But if you are looking for an area to take a trade here right at the beginning of the week, shorting Euro Yen right here against these triple top highs, not a bad area to do it at all. So be on the lookout for that one as well. This is about it for the 9 currency pair portfolio. Like I said, I don't see a lot else that I really want to concern myself with this week, or at least in the beginning part of this week. Now, in the private client group, stuff comes up all the time. We'll see a trade set up on a lower time frame, or we'll see something else set up very quickly, and we'll say, hey, here's a great opportunity. Go ahead and take the trade. I put that out in the Skype room. But for you guys who only get the video once a week, this is what I want to be paying attention to, and what I'm going to be paying attention to, and I want to put that out to you. The only other thing I want to share with you is a fantastic new opportunity that we have as part of the private client group. I am giving away for 30 days my exclusive Forex breakout system. Now, I say exclusive; it's a proprietary system, not to be too salesy with you, but what it is it's a swing trading system that you can trade. It's specifically designed for traders who have full-time jobs, and I want to show that to you real quickly so that you can get a concept of what it is and how it works. Now, this is the Forex breakout model, and this is one of the simplest systems that you will ever trade. This is as dummy proof as it gets. The rules for this system are The market looks for consolidation. As you guys can see, this consolidation that happened in here. And when the market finds consolidation, it prints two bars. The model prints two bars, a buy bar and a sell bar. And once these bars form up, you can place your buy stop and your sell stop and just wait for the market to come to you. And once the market comes to you, you get long, the market rallies, and of course you can barely see it here. Here's the target point there. It happened really quickly. The market can come up and hit your target. Now, I want to run through the last month with you and just show you what the model produced over the past month in this one currency pair. Now, we trade this in a three-market portfolio: pound yen, dollar yen, and USD Canada. But if I scroll back here to the beginning of the month, as you guys can see right in here, basically at the very first of the month, on the 2nd of this month, we had our first signal that was executed. We got long, the market pulled back, and then immediately rallied to target. That one was worth about 212 pips right there. Market then pulls back. We wait for the next bands to form up. They formed up here on about the 14th. We got a breakout. This one was stopped out for a loss of about 106 pips. And then, of course, we get some sideways channeling here, which basically means that we were break even on this. If you want to know how, we've got some specific rules for how we handle bar reprints and things of that nature. But this was basically break even in here. And then, of course, towards the end of the month, another breakout there for about 153 pips of profit, and that only took about a couple of hours to grab that. So in total for the month in this one currency pair, 259 pips. And like I said, this is designed for those of you with jobs. This is designed for those of you who cannot sit in front of the computer. Day trading is not an option for you. Or those of you who just want to be able to add something else to your portfolio. And I normally sell this system for about $1,500. But I want to be able to show people, what it is and how they can begin to use it to benefit their trading. And I've always found that rather than me telling you and showing you the numbers that I have on it and what we've found in our testing and in our practical application and trading of this system, is to let you do it. And so for anyone who signs up as a member of the private client group, not only do you get all of the stuff that the private client group guys get, but you also get this specific trading model for 30 days so that you can test it yourself. And I don't know of a better way, more proof positive, evidence of the value of something that I have to offer than letting you guys test it yourself, basically for free. And so if you want to start the year off on the right foot, go to the private client group section of the website, sign up for the private client group, and get access to this system on top of all the other stuff that we do in the private client group. This is something that I've wanted to do for a long time, and I've finally been able to do it. NinjaTrader has, has arranged for us to be able to license this out to people for a specific period of time, and it's providing us a fantastic opportunity, and you as well as the trader, to test the system and see how well it really works. So for those of you who are not members of the private client group, go to the website, click on the email link that's in the email, the link that's in the email that I sent you, get the inside edge, and we'll see you in the private client group to start off this new year on the right foot. Until next time, guys, good luck and good trading, and we will see you back here for another installment next week of the video Forex Market Preview.